Okay guys, let's eat. Hi guys, how are you guys? What are you guys up to? So you guys can hardly see me, but I'm right here because my sandwiches are so huge, guys. So let me tell you guys what we're having. So we have two homemade subs here. One is Takis, minced beef, ham sausage, cheese sauce. We have a few things in here. We have also lettuce, tomato. We have pepperoni in the both of them, but this one in the front here is Takis. We're drinking Portugal drink, and we also be having some ripples. Okay guys, so let's get up praying. Heavenly Father, please bless our subscribers, our viewers, not sure about this about to receive this food. It's anyone who don't have. Bless him hands that prepare this meal in Jesus' almighty name. Amen. How are you guys? Guys, I'm so hungry. I just need to dig in. So this is mine with all the Takis. Oh God. It also has pineapple. Guys, that looks bussin'. It's so good. I also have some Lay's chips. A pack. I just took a little bit. And this one is ripples. God. And it's so good. Guys, how much of you could relate? I have sensitive teeth, guys, so I just try to stay away from cool things. But this juice real cool. I mean, I love it, but the warmer the better because like it shock every last teeth in my body. It's so good. Everything is fresh, guys. Guys, can you have another pineapple, please? Come in. It's so good. I'll take two. Guys, so my sandwich have to have a lot of pineapples, cheese sauce, Alright, so today we went to the grocery. I'm bringing napkins. Whatever is trending, we try to purchase it. And we found Takis today, guys. Now, Trinidad didn't have no Takis before. Massy Stores got it today. I don't know if it's a day over the weekend, what. So we found it today, guys. So we pay for this size pack. This is not Takis. I'll just show you the size pack. So it's these small chips and it's this small pack of Takis. We pay like $25 for the pack, guys. I mean, it doesn't worth the value of it, but we just wanted to try it and it really tastes, but not the amount. But we tried. Well done. I see everybody rating Takis like, because on we get everything because all these Samyang noodles, I tried that. Samyang noodles is the best. It's just really hot. Takis. What else? Let's call this next shop, Sarah.
Lay's.
Yeah, Doritos and this fire one.
Which one?
Flaming Cheetos. But Cheetos is the boss.
Cheetos nicer than Takis.
Cheetos have a better taste than Takis.
I don't like that Takis. It's too.
But this flavor is lemon, so it's lemony.
It's the lemon overpowered the whole chip.
It's not something I will have again though.
It's not lemon. It's lime. Lime.
Guys, everybody tastes different. I'm not gonna say it tastes bad, but it's acid and properly well flavored lemon. Guys, let me show you the size of the pack. So,
It just looking big in the camera.
it's just only, it's a little bigger than the Ripple. It's a little thing.
You pack big, but you don't get
It's not-
much in it.
I don't find it that bad, that spicy or anything. How people rate it? Yeah.
So it's chili pepper and lemon.
Guys, you know, I would let you guys know. Die for.
No, mommy, it's not just lime. It's chili pepper and lime. The flavor is chili pepper and lime. And that's it.
Hot chili pepper and lime.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's a tortilla chips, but I don't like it, guys. I do a shorts for you guys, showing you guys that I got it, but it's not something I will have again. Unless you have it with cheese sauce or something, I don't know. God, cut this one. The sandwich is busting. It's spoiled with the Takis. Look on, the sandwich.
Coffee.
But I'll take on Takis.
You got Takis?
That's it. That's it.
Oh my god, guys. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Okay, guys. God, it's so good. It's a bit late. I don't know what it is. Thanks. It's a bit late. It's after 8. I'm so excited to show you guys his Takis and I don't like it. But you all can go to any Macy's and try it. No, it's not sponsored. But try it and leave me a comment. Let me know if you like it. But I don't like it. Guys, I'm getting full. It's so good. Guys, my videos are long. I'm just gonna take another bite. And I'm gonna leave you guys. If you reach this, like the length of this video, thanks so much for sticking around. I know you enjoy the sub, because I'm enjoying it. So good. Guys, I'm gonna do the videos a little later than usual because everybody playing music and I don't want to get copyright, so let's look out for me anytime during the afternoon time. I'll be here because you know guys, I'm always here. Okay guys, I'll leave you guys here. I didn't know the Takis would have spoiled my sandwiches, but that's okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also share the link with family and friends. See you back tomorrow with another amazing video, guys. I have anything else to tell you? Have a wonderful night. Bye guys.